Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain and I am your swing trader coach and trainer. Now for today's video we try to see how to find these stocks from the bottom. It means, when we say the bottom, it means support line. Now all this that I'm speaking about today is about my training, which is called training level 13. Okay, I have an ebook and I have a video. It means a series of videos about training 13. Now I have also the practice, because a lot of people, when they see videos like online, like on YouTube or so, it's everything on theory, but they have never seen, when they follow someone, the training, you see theory and you see practice and you see the result. Okay, now in our trading account we are at 63, I think 63 or 65% for this year. Now 1 month or 2 months ago, I began to buy a lot of stocks from the support line. Now it's not just a stock goes down and then it goes down 2 days or 3 days or 1 week or 2, and then you just go and buy. Okay, so there are some techniques that you should learn, and you should be patient to learn these techniques. But when you buy, if you succeed, you will be making a lot of money, because you are going to begin with the beginning from the bottom. Okay, which is excellent. I know sometimes when you see a stock beginning from the bottom and going up too much, and then you begin to think, oh, if I have seen this stock before. But I'm telling you the truth about these stocks. Even if you see these stocks now into your chart, for example, you are browsing the chart and you are looking at stocks, you see those stocks when they begin, you will never buy, because you don't know. You see there is no trend, so you say to yourself, how can I buy something that I don't see? I don't see anything. But for guys who are experienced in buying stocks from the support line or from the bottom, they know how to do it. It's easy when you study. Okay, so let me explain this into a diagram, just to make sure you understand. So let's say we have a stock as an example. Okay, it was going up into a big trend. Okay, and then it stops going up like this. Now how do you know it stops? Because it's going down. Okay, so like this. Now this in green here, let's say this is February 1st. Now let's say the trend, this uptrend, goes to, for example, June 2nd. Okay, so this trend has, the length of this trend is 5 months. You can have 5 months, 6 months, 10 months, depends. And then this, from 2nd of June, it's going down. Let's say it stops. Okay, let's say it stops at 25th June. Okay, and now it's going up. It's possible that it will be continuing a new trend. So this is an uptrend going up, as you can see, for 5 months. Now here we have let me take the red. Okay, so this is a downtrend because it's the reverse of the other trend. It's going down. Let's say for the sake of thing, we say it's 1 month, just 1 month or less than 1 month. It's not a problem. And then now we are here in this section, so we should buy these stocks, and it could be this is the next uptrend, and it could go for 2 months or 3 months, 6 months, we don't know. But whenever you succeed, this is where you buy here, and this buy is my training level 13 that I have in my own trainings. Okay, how to buy from support line. This is my training. Now, so in my training, I will show you what are the criteria. How do you know for true that the stock will not go down again? Okay, and what is the market mood and other stuff. Now, right now, it's not all the stocks you find them on the same time. Okay, it's not all the stocks. Some stocks, for example, they begin in the 26th June, others on 29, others on July 1st, others on July 10th. You find them on July 15th. But these dates are all here at the beginning. So not all the stocks are moving the same. Okay? So in your opinion, how do you get these stocks? Okay? So for me, I have some criteria. I try to see the strongest stocks in the market. Now, when we say strong, it doesn't mean that it is a big stock like $500, $700, or $1,000. No, it doesn't mean like that. It means just these stocks are called leaders. Okay? What does it mean, leaders? It means these stocks, when they move so fast. This is what I like for my personal preference. Now, you can choose other stocks that are going 1% a day or less 1%. Or for me, I hate those stocks because I don't like to be patient for a stock that doesn't give me money. Okay? Now, first, here what I do again. So, when I see a lot of stocks in the past, okay, a lot of stocks like this going up, very, very strong, either I have traded them or I didn't trade. So what I do, I see when they stop, all of them. They stop in different times, and most of them, they will go down. Okay, they will go down, and I will be waiting. Okay, when they begin having another trend. Okay, so I make what we call a portfolio, and I put the stocks before they go down. It means I should know them, because there is no search that gives you these stocks. Okay, no search like automatic search. Automatic search you don't find, because you can't find them, because each stock is different, and there is no criteria that you can find these stocks. So what you should do, you should put these stocks, for example, XYZ, TSL, MDS, OST. These are fictitious stocks. So I put them like this. There are 4, for example. And for example, each week I try to see if it's the time to buy. Now this time needs some techniques and needs my strategy, which is training level 13. Now this is in general what they do, but I do it the whole year for many years. It means it's not just for example this year or this June or July. No, it doesn't matter when these stocks are ready to buy. You just buy, okay? And then you discover if you are right. After a few days, you discover that you are right. Now, in my trading account, I am doing the same with stocks that are going into a trend right now. Okay, I have some stocks that are doing into a trend. This is called the training level 2. Okay, and stocks that begin from the bottom, which is support line, and these other stocks. So I can have many stocks that are following a trend, and stocks that are just beginning a trend from the bottom. Now, I have a lot of stock that they have bought and others that are ready to be bought, and I put them into my trading account. So guys, if you are interested to just to check, I'm not saying you follow me or so, you can just take the training without following my golden and silver subscription. Okay, so you don't need that if you don't like to see, because golden and silver subscription, you will see the trading account and you will see all our stocks, all the stocks that we bought since 2020 in January. So you will see the whole picture. You will see the whole stocks, when I bought, when I sold, and this is verified trade. Verified trades, it means you will find the video. You will find the video when I buy. It means you see the day that I buy, and I say I bought this stock today. You will see it by verified dates. Okay, and those who are following me, they see these stocks, and we follow them, and you will see those who succeed and those who don't. Okay, so guys, if you are interested to know training level 13 for true, just to put your hands on a real training, and it's not theory, but it is a practice. You can go to my account and you see the stocks and you learn. Now, when you learn, you can do it yourself with any stock that you like. And this is the good thing about my training. It means it's applicable on any stock in the stock market. Okay? And I don't use, guys, as you know me for many years, I don't use news or recommendations or CNN or Bloomberg or any websites or investing thing. No, I don't use any. I use my own strategies based on the chart and price only. And this is why it works. Because you will never know who is buying or who is not. But when I see the stock moving and you see the trend, you see that there are some people buying, because the stock doesn't move without buyers. So when the stock moves into a trend, it means we have more buyers than sellers. Now, a downtrend is the opposite. We have more sellers and we have short sellers more than when the stock market is going up. Okay? So I put the link for the subscription to golden and silver subscription, and I put training there is a training level 13 by videos. It means when you get the training, you find 10 or 15 videos explaining to you everything. Or you can get just the ebook, which is cheaper, and you can get the ebook if you are just want to know the strategy and then you practice by yourself. And also, guys, I am always here for any questions that you have regarding the training, because the most important thing is to practice and see the difficulties, and you learn as you train yourself. Okay? It's not something that it is that is a quick rich scheme, as they say. It's a training. You should train yourself. Stocks. The stock market is full of stocks. Each day, each week, there are stocks that I am speaking about. Each week. Okay? And you just have to put stocks into portfolio, and then you follow them. And then when they are ready, you can buy them. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Tomorrow we have our live at 10 p.m. So please, if you are interested, you can come and we can discuss some investing or trading subjects and ideas, and I can answer some of your questions. Thank you very much and have a nice night. Thank you.